auspicious occasion where we are fulfilling one of the expectations of our 2010 constitution, that there are functions devolved to county governments. Museums is one of them. And on this occasion, we have a situation where we have not only transferred the function, but also the museum itself and the assets which go with it from the National Museums of Kenya, and therefore the State Department for Culture, Arts and Heritage, to the county government of Trans-Nzoia. And that is in the spirit of the current government. His Excellency President William Ruto has emphasized the need for us to complete this process of transferring all devolved functions to county governments.
Kwa hivyo mimi leo nikapenda kuchukua nafasi hii kumshukuru sana Principal Secretary wa masuala ya utamaduni culture, Madam Umi na timu yake kwa kufanya kazi kwa karibu sana na Department ya Devolution pamoja na IGRTC na wafanyakazi wengine wa serikali kule Trans-Nzoia kuhakikisha kwamba majukumu yale ya museum ambayo sheria imekatua yamefika kule mashinani. Tunashukuru sana na ningependa tu kuhakikishia washikadau wote ambao wako hapa kwamba haya majukumu yako in the right hands.
It is a day where we are taking devolution very seriously, and we are here with the governor of the county of Trans-Nzoia, where we are officially transferring the museum of Trans-Nzoia. And for us, we strongly support devolution, and we are implementing what is stated in the 4th schedule of the Constitution.
What we are doing is not out of the ordinary. It is what the Constitution dictates of us.